2024 Best Dual Sport Motorcycle for Beginners Suzuki DR650. In the realm of dual sport motorcycles tailored for beginners, the 2024 Suzuki DR650 emerges as a compelling choice, combining versatile performance with user-friendly features. Renowned for its rugged capabilities both on and off-road, the DR650 stands as an ideal entry point for novice riders seeking a dual sport motorcycle capable of handling diverse terrains with confidence. At the heart of the Suzuki DR650 lies a robust 644 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, 4-stroke, single-cylinder engine. This proven power plant delivers a balanced mix of power and torque, providing a manageable yet spirited performance for beginners entering the dual sport arena. The DR650's tractable power delivery ensures riders can confidently navigate both city streets and off-road trails, making it a versatile choice for those exploring the dual sport experience. Design-wise, the DR650 embraces a purposeful and straightforward aesthetic. The bike features a robust steel frame, a comfortable seat, and a slim profile, contributing to its rugged and utilitarian appearance. The minimalistic design underscores Suzuki's focus on functionality, making the DR650 an appealing option for riders who value a bike that is both capable and practical for on-road and off-road adventures. Comfort is a key consideration for dual sport riders, and the Suzuki DR650 addresses this with its accommodating and rider-friendly design. The bike's comfortable seat, upright riding position, and wide handlebars contribute to a relaxed and enjoyable riding experience, whether commuting through the city or tackling rough off-road terrain. The DR650's versatile nature encourages riders to embark on longer journeys with the confidence of a comfortable and controlled ride. Handling is a standout feature of the DR650, characterized by its stable and predictable performance. The bike's durable chassis, long travel suspension, and generous ground clearance make it well-suited for off-road excursions, while its balanced design ensures nimble control on paved roads. Novice riders can appreciate the DR650's forgiving nature, allowing them to develop their skills gradually while enjoying a stable and responsive ride in diverse conditions. Safety features are integrated into the DR650, including a reliable braking system that provides ample stopping power. While ABS may not be standard on all models, the DR650's overall design and performance contribute to a safe and enjoyable riding experience for beginners venturing into the dual sport realm. Affordability is a key factor contributing to the DR650's appeal. With a competitive price point, the bike offers an accessible entry into the dual sport segment without compromising on Suzuki's reputation for durability and reliability. This makes the Suzuki DR650 an attractive option for beginners seeking a versatile and rugged dual sport motorcycle that can handle the challenges of both on-road and off-road environments. In conclusion, the 2024 Suzuki DR650 stands as a compelling choice for beginners entering the dual sport motorcycle arena. Its versatile performance, rugged design, and Suzuki's commitment to reliability make it an ideal companion for riders eager to explore a variety of terrains, solidifying the DR650's position as a top pick for those embarking on their dual sport adventures.